Before literacy came in, how did we learn? I got curious, and I came out with 3 C's of learning. We learned from community, clans, very much we are part of that clan. South India has all the initiates. You say which village you come from, who is your grandfather or whatever. You trace the lineage in many ways. You learn from craft. The guild master who taught you how to make things, goldsmith, ironsmith, whatever they are, also taught you value while talking to you. And the third thing you learned was congregation. Any faith. It's not that you organized religions as we have it today, but any belief system. That we shifted during Industrial Revolution to 3 hours of learning, which is where we are stuck, which is reading, writing, and arithmetic. That's all skill development. Nothing less than values development. In the pre-literacy, values were built into the system. How do you bring it back? So I have a new paradigm of 3 I's of learning. Letter I. Learning will be interactive. In my days, all I said was to write notes, reading this, whatever professor was saying, making sure I write as fast as possible. That was it. One textbook for 2 years, underlining every paragraph. That was the way I learned. There was no interaction. Interaction generally is presumed by psychologists as a better retention. If I engage my students constantly in the classroom, other thing I'm going to give you a lecture, it seems to work better. Not only bonding, and so that's clearly one of the first. Second one is that learning will be more and more with technology integrated. There's something common between math and music. Left brain, right brain theory is out now. What is common between math, music, software? They're all languages. They're all syntax. Structure. You studied Western classical music, as I heard yesterday. There's a structure there. It's a language. So we can learn from each other to say there's a similarity between those two. That's the integrated learning, which is where the cross-discipline things come up. And the last one is that learning would be individualized. Slow learners versus fast learners. More hands-on to some of it. Basically, it can be done today in technology through mass customization, as we call it. So I think the individualized learning will become more and more important. Technology will enable you. So even in a class of 100 or 200, I can personalize it. It's just optimal. So in that case, you allow the individual to decide where he would like to or she would like to focus in disciplines.